This is a 1-scoop order for Mia. She likes Pochacco and Badtz-Maru. Her favorite colors are nude, pink, and green. She wants pens, and she doesn't want any erasers, bookmarks, or pencils. One file folder. One notebook. Plus one more. 2 pens. Plus 2 more. One tape. This is a blind box correction tape. One mini notebook. Plus one more. One clear pouch. One memo pad. One sticky note. Plus 2 more. 2 stickers. Plus 2 more. 1 keychain. One plush charm. Plus 2 more. 1 beaded charm. Plus 1 more. 1 plush pencil bag. Two mirrors. I exchanged one for this new plush pencil bag. 2 card holders. One scrunchie. Plus 1 more. 1 hand towel. One bracelet. Let's add another one. 1 pin badge. Plus 1 more. 1 acrylic clip, but you know it'll be 4. Let's exchange these pencil, eraser, and bookmark beads to 3 pens that Mia wanted. Plus 4 more. Okay, Mia, that's everything for your order. I hope you love everything I chose. Thank you so much.